compare in the past times. We will want to see any videos. We will have to see that videos in the television. But with the advent of the smartphones, there are many features are available, and we can see that videos and any many others program on the smartphones. And students, there are a lot of contents available for the others people as a farm. There are if there are a farmer, the content is available for the farming, and if there are any students, the content is available for the students, which is very useful for the people.
Yeah, friend, I agree with you. We can easily see that in the past time we have to go to send a message to the post office, but in present time, with the help of mobile phone, we can send any message with our mobile phone, and we can also go anywhere with the access GPS in our mobile phone.
And by using the mobile phone, we can get free education, and we can eradicate all the suspicion, and increase our technology mind. And in my opinion, mobile phone are boon for us. Every person use the mobile phone and communicate one another. It is distance does not matter in the mobile phone. We can talk one person in one corner to another corner.
But
I agree with you that we are helping the economy of our India, because many of the company will exist in our India just because of mobile phones, and we are using mobile phones and giving the tax to companies. I think that companies are giving to the tax to our government. I think this is also boosting our economy of India.
I
know that we are
living-
seeing that in this world, childs and young guys, boys and girls also being in the social media with the help of mobile phones. Nowadays, we are seeing mobile addiction is the new disease in this world. In many European countries, the habitation center has been increasing day by day because of mobile phone.
I think mobile phone is the best thing for our communication. If someone is living far away from his country, state, and home, he can easily talk with their family members, friends, and relatives. I think this is the best way to communicate
Yes.
with the.
Yes, I am agree with the point,
I agree
because
with
in the
my
past
friends.
time when we are comparing, we will have to send the money and any kind of help to our relations and friends. Then we will have to post it, and then it will take a lot of time. But with the help of mobile phone, we can, by pressing few buttons, we can provide all the facilities to them. Then it is a very good for the upcoming generation. But sometimes when we are saying that people are too much using that facilities, and they are wasting their precious time on it, then it is a very bad for us.
I agree with you, my friend. Many mobile users are using many times in their social media and online games, which is very bad for them. In this way, they are spoiling their career and their daily routine, because they don't go out there outdoor games, and they are already using mobile phone. I think this is bad for the India.
Yes, I am agree with you.
It saves our time. One teacher can teach a lot of student above 1 million or 20,000, and we can save video and picture for a long time. There are many advantages of it. In Corona pandemic, many student can take their live class.
I think, friends, just because of the mobile phones, government is giving the security to the movement. Government launched the mobile number for 1092. I think this is also giving the opportunity to the movement. The government can secure the woman also anywhere. The woman can call the police and also the woman helpline to save herself. And
Yes,
this is
I agree with that, because
We all know that if you want to go in, some time ago, if you want to go anywhere and you does not know the correct location, you face many difficulties to find the correct location. But in present time, if you want to go anywhere and you does not know the correct location, so you search in the mobile phone and you easily find the correct location. So it is very helpful for traveling.
Yeah,
Yes, I agree with my friend, because nowadays,
we can easily see that we can do study with the help of mobile phones in the pandemic situation. We also know that the usage of mobile phone should be limited, because it sometimes it departs a man from his family. It is a very bad thing.
I agree with you, because of the mobile phone, families are getting bad affected, and the parents are not take care of with their children. And according to survey, a man who has the smartphones, he easily open the mobile phone 120 times in a day, and he is doing any work, but his all attention on the mobile, so it is very bad for us.
And
I agree
then
with
we
you, my
cannot
friend.
also deny
What is
that in this time we cannot also deny that one second phase of mobile phones. In this time we are seeing the network areas to boosting our network area and every company. And just because of the networking area and just because of the radiation, the many of the birds and many of the birds is affected just because of the network.
Yes, I agree with my friends, and in my opinion, the mobile phone give the employment of the people, and by using of these electronic tools, people earn money in the period of coronavirus. People are working they are working at in the home and using like these technology tools, and they are earn money.
I am agree with your points. Many youth are earning money to create videos and web series and many a lot of work. And if you are using mobile phones, you have to done any you have to choose you have to do any apps and you create videos and then you are earning a lot of money.
Yeah,
So
friend,
it
I
is
agree with you. We can be seen that we cannot deny that phone is also the development, also the cause of development of the village. Because in villages we can easily see they cannot afford a laptop, but if they can afford a mobile. Because due to mobile, they can easily search anything and they can watch and they get knowledge through the mobile phones.
And
Yes, I
we
agree
can
with
see
you, my
that in the
friend.
index of our mobile networking, the most of the villages are who are using a mobile phone except the cities. This is also mentioned in the index of our India, and we can say that just because of the index, many of the villagers who are not capable to send our child to the out to out of our village, and just because of mobile phone, they are giving best knowledge from mobile.
Yes, I am
Yes, I
agree
agree
with
with you, my friend. With the use of mobile phone, it's to promote the digitalization. In mobile phone, there are a lot of features as Google Pay, Phone Pay, and DUI. With the help of these apps, we can give our payment in a second and book train and train tickets, aeroplane tickets, and my hotel books. This is very easy for us due to mobile phone.
Yes, I agree with friend because as we know that it is a big nuisance because nowadays mobile phones are very costly and people waste a lot of money on them. Then it is in my opinion it is a very bad.
At conclusion, I will say mobile phone is doing for human life, but same time we have to see that we can't deny that many types of hackers and also wrong sites are available in there. So we should aware of it and our child we should protect for their sites and also these type of wrong video games.
Yes,
At last I would like to conclude by saying that there are many children who spend their more and more time in watching funny video uh, and etc. It's a really boon for us. That's
At last, I want to say that a mobile phone is a very useful for us when we take it in a positive way, and it is a very bad tool for us because people are wasting their a lot of time on mobile. As according to Shakespeare, there is according to Shakespeare that it is excellent to have the giant strength, but it is a trainers to use it like a giant. When we are using it in a good way, then it is a very beneficial for us.
At last, I would like to conclude that the mobile phone is good for us, but the usage of mobile phone should be limited, and the people who are wasting too much time, they should waste less time. And as we know that if we use in a right manner, it will be beneficial for us. If we use it in a wrong manner, it will be harmful for us.
At last, I would like to conclude by saying that there is a great Purvaru. There are nothing good or bad. Good or bad. It's fully depend upon our mentality and the circumstances and mentality which make things all good or bad.
In my opinion, mobile phone is boon for us. If we should make a balance like these technologies, and then we are do anything by using like these technology tools and increase and development new knowledge.
At last, I would like to say that in this time, the every technology is a food for the human life, and every inventor just because of the help to invent anything just because of the help the human being. And if you are balancing the both phase of the technology, I think it will be a best and boost our life.
At last, I would like to say that excess of anything is dangerous for us. If someone uses mobile phone in limit, it is beneficial for him. If someone waste time in mobile phone, it can be not useful for him.